How can I reduce my sexual desire to the lowest level? I think of it a lot and it's affecting me. I know the Prophet ﷺ recommended fasting, but I have ulcer. So the doctor advised me not to fast often. And I am not married yet. What can I do, please? Ya akhi, you don't put me in a corner and ask me to find a way out for you. You have to improvise. The Prophet told us, alayhi salatu wasalam, O people, the youth, whoever has the ability to get married must get married. So you're telling me I cannot get married. This is problem number one. Maybe you can get married, but you're putting hurdles of your own. So you can get married to someone who's 15 or 20 years older than you. They would accept you. You can get married to someone who is not as to the level of your standards in beauty or wealth. But again, this would protect you from falling into haram. So you can think of solutions. If you're unable to marry at all, then you have to fast. Simple as that. You say, I cannot fast all the time. They do not recommend you to fast often. Okay, then don't fast often, but fast every now and then. This reduces your sexual drive. And most importantly, you have to lower your gaze. You wouldn't have any problem if you did not watch movies, TV series, WhatsApp, YouTube, social media, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. But the more addictive you are, the more addicted you are to these forms of media, the more tempted you are to fall into sin. So you have to, if you're sincere, cut all these means. Take out the internet from your home. Take out the TV set altogether and lower your gaze whenever you're out. Do not mix with females. Do not just sit there and enjoy the scene, because this is how shaitan comes and creeps into your heart. This is how he infiltrates your defense system, because you've opened all means to be invaded and you're inviting him in. So once you do this, inshallah, you would find it easy to counterattack with the grace of Allah.